In trigonometry, what is all silver teacups? By using this sentence, we will frame the formulas and conversions. So, first we take a plane. This plane going to divide it into 4 quadrants. So, we will give names for these quadrants. Quadrant 1, Quadrant 2, and it is Quadrant 3. This is Quadrant 4. So, 4 quadrants we got. In the first quadrant, we will write all. All means here we have trigonometric functions 6. That is sine, cos, tan, and again here sine opposite cosecant, and cos opposite secant, and cot. So we have 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. So the 6 are positive in this first quadrant. So all are positive. Next, go for second quadrant. So in second quadrant, here we have only 2 trigonometric functions. They are sine, and opposite of sine is cosecant. So sine and cosecant house is second quadrant. In this, we represent S as sine, that is sine, and opposite is cosecant. These two are positive. Only these two are positive in the second quadrant. The remaining are negative. The remaining, what are the remaining? Cos, secant, tan, cot. These remaining 4 are negative in this second quadrant. Next, go for third quadrant. T. Select first letter T. That is, what in this, what is the first letter T? Tan. So I will write tan. Tan. Tan opposite is cot. So this is the house for tan and cot. These two are positive. The remaining are negative. What are the remaining? Sine, cosecant, cos, secant are negative in the third quadrant. Next, last quadrant, fourth quadrant, that is cups. Select C. See, what is this? Here already sine, cosecant over. Then what is the remaining? Cos. So here we will select cos, and the opposite for cos is secant. These two are positive. The fourth quadrant is house for cos and secant. So in this, cos and secant are positive. The remaining are negative. What are the remaining? Sine, cosecant, tan, cot. These are negative. The first quadrant, this is the first quadrant. The first quadrant, it begins from 0 degrees and ends at 90 degrees. So 0 to 90 is the first quadrant, and second quadrant from 90 to 180, that is second quadrant, and from 180 degrees to 270 degrees, third quadrant, and 270 degrees to 360 degrees, fourth quadrant. Up to 360 means one cycle completed. So for this trigonometric functions, one cycle completed means is 360 degrees. It starts from 0 degrees and complete at 360 degrees. This is complete cycle. This is positive cycle and it is negative cycle. So one complete cycle is 360 degrees, or in radians. So from 0 to pi by 2 radians, that is, and from pi by 2 to pi to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. So in radians, one complete cycle is from 0 to 2 pi. So this is one complete cycle. We will write first quadrant as 90 degrees minus theta, or pi by 2 minus theta. This is first quadrant. The meaning of the first quadrant is 90 minus theta or pi by 2 minus theta. Now go for second quadrant. The second quadrant, it is after 90. So after 90 means 90 plus theta, or before 180. Before means 180 minus theta. So we will write like two types. One is 90 plus theta or before 180. 180 minus theta. So 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta. Next, third quadrant. 180 after, 270 below, before. So 180 after means positive, plus 180 plus theta or r. This is before 270. Before values are 270 minus theta. 270 degrees minus theta. Next, fourth quadrant. How can we write this one? After 270. After 270 means 270 plus theta or before 360. Before 360 is 360 degrees minus theta. So after 270, before 360. So like this we divide this values.